Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir, and today we will be continuing Standard 10 Math Second Chapter number 5 Coordinate Geometry. In Coordinate Geometry, we will be continuing practice set 5.1 question number 7 and 8. Students, please look at the board. This question little bit different or unique, but you will understand. Please look at the board. Here, find x if distance between it means we will use distance formula. Yes. Now find x. We have to find the x between points point L coordinates are given. This will be x1, this will be y1. Point M coordinates are given. This is x2, this will be y2. E is 10. What is E is 10? Distance between L and M. See, I have written over here. Distance between point L and M is 10. It is given in the question. Okay. So we will write as we have written earlier. Point L coordinate will be x, 7. It will be x1 and y1. Point M coordinates 1, 15. It will be x2 and y2. Okay. By distance formula. Why we will use distance formula? It is mentioned in the question. Distance between 2 points. Is it clear? So now I will write distance between point L and M is equals to distance formula square root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Is it clear? Now you will put the values. x2 value is what? 1 minus x1 value is what? X. Now y2 value is what? 15 minus, and y1 value is what? 7. Can you see I have written some arrows over here. Please pay attention students very carefully. We have to find x. हमको find क्या करना है? x. So here x is in negative. x negative में है. It won't be negative. वो negative में नहीं होगा. It is a rule because if x will be negative, so answer will come different. So please students, we have to shuffle this. This x will come here and this 1 will come here. Why? It is a rule. Please pay attention over here. If in bracket it is 5 minus x. Is it clear? So I can write it x minus 5. Is it clear? Why? Because this variable which we have to find, or x or y, it would not be negative. वो negative में नहीं होगा. Again, if you will come 9 minus y in bracket, y you will write y minus 9. Is it clear? Because what is the exact value here? One of the coordinate is negative. एक coordinate negative होना चाहिए. ऐसा करने से भी एक कोऑर्डिनेट नेगेटिव ही हो गया. Yes, why? Because we don't want this x should be negative. इसलिए x यहाँ पर आएगा, 5 वहाँ पे जाएगा, y यहाँ पे आएगा, 9 वहाँ पे जाएगा. Is it clear? I hope you understood this explanation. Okay, so therefore only here also we have done the same. Here what we have done, x will come here, 1 will go there. So 7 will come here, 15 will go there. Is it clear? Now this will be x minus 1 bracket square. This 10 came from where? Distance between point L and M is already given 10. So this 10 will come as it is. X minus 1 square plus 7 minus 15. We had shuffled. Okay. So it will be square root x minus 1 bracket square plus minus 8. This answer is minus 8 bracket square. Is it clear? Now we will do squaring both the side. अब हमें दोनों तरफ square करना है. क्यों करेंगे? To exit this square root. ये square root हमको हटाना है. Why you will do squaring to the both the sides? यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर square क्यों करेंगे? क्योंकि हमें ये square root हटाना है. ये हटाना है इसलिए हमको square करना है. Is it clear? So we will give square here. We will give square here because this will come as it is, right? So this is square. This is square. I hope you understood now. You will say, sir, here already square. Here already square. So this is square root. This is square root. So answer will come P or no? This answer will come P or no? But we are doing the square root. So answer will come square and square. Is it clear? So 10 square will be 100. X minus 1 square plus 64. Square of any negative number will be positive. So this 64 will come to 100. 100 minus 64 will be, this will be as it is. Why? Because in bracket one of the coordinate is not given. एक दिया हुआ नहीं है, इसलिए जैसे के वैसा ही होगा. 100 minus 64 will be 36 is equals to x minus 1 as it is, right? Square. So now we will take this square by taking square root. अब ये square root ले लो तो क्या बचेगा? x minus 1 is equals to plus minus 6. Why? You will ask me, sir, ये plus minus 6 कहाँ से आया? क्यों आया? Students, we know that 6 square 36. And what is the square of minus 6 square? It is also 36. Is it clear? So 6 is the square root of positive 6 also, 36 is the square of plus 6 also, and 36 is the square of minus 6 also. Do you understand what I have said here? प्लस माइनस क्यों आया? क्योंकि 36 प्लस 6 का भी स्क्वायर है और 36 माइनस 6 का भी स्क्वायर है. इज इट क्लियर? इसलिए हमें प्लस माइनस लिखना पड़ता है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. इट मींस व्हाट? once we will do addition, once we will do subtraction. एक बार हमें addition करना है, एक बार हमें subtraction करना है. So take this side as it is, left hand side as it is. X minus 1 is equals to positive 6. So this minus 1 will go there, plus 1. Answer will come 7. Now left hand side as it is. X minus 1 is equals to minus 6. एक बार हमने यहाँ पे plus 6 लिया, एक बार हम यहाँ पर minus 6 लेंगे. Is it clear? So this minus 1 will go there, it will be plus 1. Plus minus minus. So 6 minus 1, 5. Bigger number is 6. So 6 sign is minus. So answer came x is equals to minus 5. So what is the answer? X is equal to 7 or x is equals to minus 5. I hope you understood here. Is any doubt? Please ask me. This will be doubt. I have clear. ये हम यहाँ पे स्क्वायर क्यों करेंगे? ये स्क्वायर रूट हटाने के लिए. और यहाँ पर स्पेस पे क्यों स्क्वायर आएगा? Because this is double square. This is square and this is also square. So pure square will come. Pure number will come. So if you are giving square here, it means it will come square on every number. So this is how we have solved it. I hope you understood this. Now we will see question number 8. Students, question number 8 is all about, are the given points are the vertices of an equilateral triangle, point A, point B, point C. Vertices of an equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? A triangle which is having all three sides equal to each other. All three sides should be equals to each other. Okay, so we will write first A point x1 y1, b point x2 y2, c point x3 y3. Okay, students, here x3 is a bigger term. See, 1 plus 2 root 3. So you have to use this value very clearly. Okay, so by using distance formula, okay, first we will take point A and B, distance between point A and B, and then we will take distance between point B and C, and then we will take distance between point A, C. Is it clear? So one by one. By distance formula we will take distance between point A and B, so first and second. So always take greater first and smaller later. Okay, so x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. What is x2 value here? x2 is 1 minus x1 is also 1. So 1 minus 1 0. You will ignore this. Okay, now y2 value is what? 6. Minus y1 value is what? 2. So 6 minus 2 bracket square. Is it clear? So now 6 minus 2 will be 4 square. 4 square means 16. So square root of 16 is 4. So the distance between point AB is equals to 4 what? 4 units. This is your first answer. Now you will take distance between point B and C, means second and third. So what you will write? Distance between point BC is equals to third first and second later on. That x3 minus x2 bracket square plus y3 minus y2 bracket square. What is x3 here? x3 is here 1 plus 2 root 3 minus x2 is 1. So students, please pay attention here. What will happen? See, this one is positive and this one is negative. So it will 0. Yes, this is positive 1, this is negative 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. It will cut. What will remain? Only 2 root 3 will remain. Yehi bachega. Is it clear? So now y3 is 4, y2 is 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2 square. Okay. So this square, how you will give this square? Please pay attention. 2 and root 3 के बीच में कौन सी साइन है? Nothing. It means here multiplication is there. 2 and root 3 के बीच में multiply है. So what this square you will give to both of them. This square you will give to 2. So 2 square 4 multiply. Root 3 square is pure 3. You know we have learned it already. Root 3 square is equals to pure 3. Root 2 square is equals to pure 2. Root 4 square is equals to pure 4. I hope you understood here. Yes. So now this 2 square 4 multiply root 3 का square यानी सिर्फ 3, pure 3. Now here minus 2 square of any negative number is always पॉजिटिव, एनी नेगेटिव नंबर का स्क्वायर हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है. सो 4 3 is 12 plus 4, it is 16. So answer will come square root 16 is the value of 4. 4 what? Units. So your second answer, distance between BC is equals to 4 units. Second answer. Two answers matched. Now third one, take point A and C. Distance between point A and C means third and first. So you will take x3 minus x1 bracket square plus y3 minus y1 bracket square. Okay. Again x3 will come this only 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 1. Students, again pay attention here. This one is positive, this one is negative. So this plus 1 and this minus 1 will get cancelled. It will be 0. Okay. So what is answer will left over? 2 root 3 bachega. Is it clear? Now here 4 minus 2 will be 2. Okay. So this square you will give to 2. 2 का square 4. इन दोनों के बीच में कौन सी साइन है? Nothing. It means it is multiplication. Root 3 का square pure 3. Is it clear? So now 4 root 3 12 and this 2 का square 4. It will come here. 12 plus 4 is root 16. Root 16 is a value of 4 units. So all three answers are equals to each other. Yes, therefore we will write AB is equals to BC is equals to AC from first, second and third. So therefore the given triangle, that is triangle ABC, is an equilateral triangle. How? By the definition. What is definition? A triangle, if it is having all three sides equals to each other, then the triangle will be considered as an equilateral triangle. After practice set 5.1, we will move towards the 5.2. But students, before starting practice set 5.2, I want to explain you the formula which will be utilizing in practice set 5.2, that is section formula. Please look at the board. What is section formula and how we will utilize it in practice set 5.2? Is it clear? Look at the board. Section formula. See students, segment AB एक segment है. Okay. पॉइंट ए के कोऑर्डिनेट्स x1 होंगे और y1 होंगे. पॉइंट बी कोऑर्डिनेट्स विल बी x2 एंड y2. Is it clear? And one point will be given to you which will divide segment AB into two parts. Okay, it means in question like this, divide word will come. Divide word will come. It means you should quickly understand that we should use सेक्शन फॉर्मूला. सेक्शन फॉर्मूला मींस वो क्या करता है? सेगमेंट AB को दो हिस्सों में डिवाइड करता है इन द रेशियो. लुक एट हियर इन दिस क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस सेट 5.2, P divides. It means section formula. Point A coordinates given x1 y1, coordinate B points will be given x2 y2, and in the ratio, this is ratio 2:1, यानी एक टुकड़ा छोटा है एक टुकड़ा बड़ा है. So this will be considered as a M and this will be considered as a N. Can you see in the picture over here? Point A coordinate x1 y1, point B coordinate will be x2 y2, and this point P divides the segment AB into two parts in the ratio 2:3. So this 2 belongs to M. M की वैल्यू 2 होगी, N की वैल्यू 3 होगी. Is it clear? So जो रेशियो दिया हुआ रहेगा, that is the value of M and N. Is it clear? A का coordinate x1 y1, B का coordinate x2 y2. So by section formula, what is section formula? We have to find the points of point B. Coordinate of point B हमको find करना है. Coordinates of point B जो होंगे x और y. So what is the section formula here? X is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus n. N value is what? जो भी रेशियो होगा, तो first number will be m, second number will be n. So m value here 2 plus n यानी 3, n की वैल्यू 3. Is it clear? So m value m और x2. तो m और x2 के बीच में कौन सी साइन है? Which sign is there between m and x2? Multiplication. Here plus n और x1 के बीच में which sign will be there? Multiplication. So n value whatever given here, m value whatever given here, and x1 whatever value will be here. Is it clear? So x you will find by solving this. Point y, coordinate of y you will be getting by solving this. my2 plus ny1 upon n plus n. I hope you understood. This is a section formula. Is it clear? See the question number 1 of practice set 5.2. Find the coordinates of point P. P के coordinates find करने हैं. If P divides, P क्या करता है? P divide करता है. It means directly you should understand. Here we will use Section formula. The line segment joining the points A and B, okay, in the ratio. So see what I am saying here. This is 2A and this is B. A coordinates will be given to you, that is -1 and 7. This will be x1 and this will be y1. Point B 4 -3. This will be x2 and this will be y2. And P divides the segment. P 2:3. It means पहला टुकड़ा छोटा है. Point P divides the segment into 2:3. So this will be M and this will be N. So N की value 2, N की value 3 and P के points we have to find the coordinates of point P, that is x and y. क्वेश्चन में क्या आया है? Divides. It means which formula you will use? Bisection formula. You will use bisection formula. Bisection formula. Why section formula? Because divides came in the question. Okay, what is section formula? X is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. After little distance you should write y is equals to same. X के place पर y लिखना है. That is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now you should know the values. A के coordinates x1 y1 होंगे, B के coordinates x2 y2 होंगे और P के coordinates जो हमको find करना है वो होंगे x and y. Is it clear? So now we will put the values. X is equals to m value is what? M value 2. Okay, first value will be m, second value will be n. So 2 and m और x के बीच में क्या है? M और x2 के बीच में it is multiplication. So x2 is 4 plus n value 3 multiply by n और x1 के बीच में क्या है? -1. It is -1 upon m value 2 plus n value 3. Okay, so solve. 2 4s are 8 plus 3 1s are 3, that is -3 upon 2 plus 3, it is 5. So what is answer here? This is plus multiply by minus is equals to minus. So 8 minus 3 upon 5. So answer will be 8 minus 3, 5 upon 5. That is 5 ones are 5. So answer came x is equals to 1. Now you will find the y coordinate, that is y is equal to m value 2 multiply by m और y के बीच में क्या है? Multiplication. So y2 is how much? -3. So answer will come -6. Okay. So n value how much? 3 multiply by y1. y1 is how much? 7. So answer will come. This is m value 2 plus n value 3. Is it clear? So this will become -6 plus 3 7s are 21 upon 5. What will be the answer? Will come plus minus minus 21 minus 6 will be 15 upon 5. Is it clear? So answer will be 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. So answer will come y is equals to 3. So what are the value? X is equals to 1 and y is equals to 3. So therefore the coordinate, you will write the coordinates of point P is, the coordinate of point P is what? 1 and 3. Is it clear? The coordinates of point P is 1, 3. 1 is the value of x, 3 is the value of y. I hope you understood here. So now we will solve question number 2. First question. The remaining two will be homework, so please pay attention. Here also we will use section formula. Why we will use section formula? Because here one word came, that is divides. Divide means section formula. And also this ratio is given. See, in the ratio A is to B. Now you will ask me, sir, here A is to B came means what? So the students please pay attention. This will be M and this will be N. It means this will be your value of M. This will be value of N. It means this will be M and this will be N. Is it clear? So now you will draw a segment. What is the name of segment? P Q. What is the coordinates of P? -3 and 7. What is the coordinate of Q? 1 and -4. Which point is dividing over here? Which point? Point A. In the ratio 2:1 means पहला टुकड़ा बड़ा है, छोटा टुकड़ा दूसरा वाला टुकड़ा छोटा है. So here A will come. Okay. and we have to find the coordinate of A, that is x and y. In the ratio 2:1, this will be value of m and this will be value of n. Is it clear? So now you should write the formula by section formula. Which formula? By section formula. Why we will use section formula? Divides came and ratio came. तो ratio में पहला वैल्यू m का होगा, दूसरा वैल्यू n का होगा. Is it clear? And p के two coordinates, q के two coordinates. This will be your x1 and y1. This will be your x2 and y2. Is it clear? So what is section formula? First you will find out x. X is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n upon m plus n. So what is y? Y coordinate of y is equals to same. X की जगह पे y डालना है. That is y2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Is it clear? So students, now I will put the value. M value is how much? 2 into m और x2 के बीच में क्या है? Multiplication. x2 is how much? 1 plus n value is how much? 1 into x1 is how much? Minus 3 upon m value is 2 plus n value is 1. So what is the answer? Will come 2 ones are 2 plus 3 ones minus 3 ones are minus 3 upon 2 plus 1 3. So answer will come 2 plus multiply by minus will be minus 3 upon 3 is equals to what? Minus 1 upon 3. Is it clear? So x value will be minus 1 upon 3. Now you will find the value of y. That is m value is how much? 2 into y2 is how much? y2 minus 4. Minus 4. N value is how much? 1. Multiply by y1 is how much? 7 upon m value 2 plus n value 1. Minus 4 2s are minus 8 plus 7 ones are 7 upon 2 plus 1 3. So answer is what? Plus minus minus 8 minus 7 1. Which is bigger number? 8. 8 is a negative. So answer will come minus 1 upon 3. So what is your answer? Therefore, the coordinates of point A, every time you will write point A only. The coordinates of point A is what? The first answer of x answer is minus 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3. And y answer is also minus 1 upon 3. Is it clear? So like this only you will solve remaining two sums as a homework. Keep remember A is a value of m, B is a value of n. मतलब पहला नंबर m होगा, दूसरा नंबर n होगा. This will be x1 y1 x2 y2 and always you will write A in between क्योंकि यहाँ पर A ही दिया है. Find the coordinates of point A means हर बार हर क्वेश्चन में you will write point A only in between. I hope you understood this section formula. You have to learn it, remember the section formula and you have to solve the sums given according to the steps. Thank you.